Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to set up automatic investments with Charles Schwab. This powerful tool helps you consistently invest in your future without manual effort. It's important to know that Schwab's automatic investing feature is specifically for eligible mutual funds you already hold. You'll need to own at least one share of a mutual fund before you can set up recurring purchases for it. Before setting up your automatic investments, you'll need to ensure your Schwab account is funded regularly. You can easily set up recurring transfers from your external bank account. Simply go to the Move Money tab, then select Online Transfers. Choose your linked bank account and your Schwab investment account, then specify the amount and how often you want the money to move, like weekly or monthly. Now let's enroll your mutual fund for automatic purchases. Once logged in, click on Trade in the top menu, then select Automatic Investing. You'll then choose the specific account and the eligible mutual fund you want to invest in. Enter the dollar amount you wish to invest, keeping in mind the typical minimum is $100 per transaction. Finally, select your preferred frequency, like monthly on the 5th or 20th. After entering your details, carefully review all the information on the confirmation page to ensure accuracy. Once everything looks correct, submit your enrollment to activate your automatic investment plan. For the first couple of months, it's a good idea to check your account to confirm that both your recurring transfers and investments are processing as intended. This ensures your plan is running smoothly, helping you build wealth consistently.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.